Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reboot your Starlink router. First, download the Starlink app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and sign in to your account. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. Then, scroll down and select Settings. Choose your router from the list. You'll see the reboot option. Just slide it to the right and your Starlink router will power off and back on automatically. And that's it. A quick reboot can help fix network drops and improve performance. And that's it. That's how to reboot your Starlink router. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.